What?
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Okay, it's time to announce the first Real Woman of Philadelphia. This is for the appetizer category. And the appetizer sets the tone for the meal, right? It's the first taste for your guests. It gets you excited about the meal, excited about what's to come. And it is an appetizer that you truly love. And all four of you made us feel welcome with your recipes. This is my first look at who is the real woman of Philadelphia. And it is.
A Dartmouth woman is getting lots of attention right across the country for her skills in the kitchen.
And we're going to keep doing this until all 16 tarts are done.
Angela Amati was one of 1,000 people who entered a national cooking contest, and she's one of 4 winners and will now star in her own online cooking videos. She's also won $20,000. Angela Amati joins me now. Thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you so much for having me.
So these are the award-winning sweet and savory tartlets, right?
They are. I brought in a whole batch for all of you to share today.
Tell me how these brought you to victory.
I was doing what I love to do, cooking in my kitchen, and this is a recipe that I've been making for a long time. And so when I saw the commercial with Anna Olson, I said, I can do that. And I grabbed my video camera and off I went, and I submitted this video in the appetizer category using whipped Philadelphia cream cheese mixed with gorgonzola.
Well, our next guest has always had a flair for cooking, and now Dartmouth, Nova Scotia's Angela Amati has a title to prove it. She is a real woman of Philadelphia. After winning a major contest with the folks at Philadelphia Cream Cheese, her recipe for sweet and savory tartlets won her a role as Philly's appetizer host online, and Angela is here to share her recipe. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Very cool. So now we're going to assemble some of your tasty tartlets. They smell very good. You've got some pears.
I have them poaching on the stove right now.
Fantastic. But how did you decide you wanted to enter this?
It's just something I've been making for a really long time, and I saw the commercial, and it's one of those appetizers that has always been a winner with my friends and family, and I thought I'm going to submit a video. And it was actually, I submitted 3 videos total, 2 prior, and this one was the most relaxed because I was used to making it so much.
It's familiar to you,
It was
right?
familiar. My Italian heritage really came through in these tartlets,
very nice.
and I love them.
Excellent.
So.
All right, so let's we're going to do a little switcheroo here.
Okay.
That side requires sharp utensils, and I'm not going to be involved in that. So this here is...
We have some gorgonzola.
Gorgonzola.
That's at room temperature.
Right, and it's been sort of blended.
Yeah, and you're going to add 1 tub of the whipped Philadelphia cream cheese, and I brought you a Real Woman of Philadelphia spatula because we want to make sure we get every last bit.
Hi everyone, I'm Angela Amati, and I'm on vacation in Sydney, BC right now. I love different food finds. Oh my god. Head on down to Coos, BC, everyone. It's really spicy but delicious. I wish I had some Philly cream cheese to cool this down. Woo! It's hot. Hi everyone, I'm inside at Bishop's Cellar, my favorite wine shop in Halifax, Nova Scotia, and meeting with me today is sommelier and store manager Elena McIntyre. Thanks so much for meeting me today. Hi everyone, we are at Garrison Brewery in Halifax, Nova Scotia. It is a beautiful day, and Corey and I thought we'd come to one of his favorite places and do a little beer tasting today. Just a little one. We were inside talking to their knowledgeable staff, and we have 5 of their most popular beers that they have on tap. These are almost like a shortbread cracker. So they're a savory shortbread, but they're crispy like a cracker. Delicious. You're going to love warming things up in your home with beer and cheddar soup using Philadelphia cream cheese. Thanks once again for joining me in my kitchen. I'm Angela Amati, your appetizer host. Buon appetito.